Hello. In this video, we'll learn to use tags to group resources in BMC Helix Continuous Optimization. Let's understand the usage of tags better through this scenario. Alan, an IT administrator, needs to manage 10,000 resources across multiple domains. It is becoming increasingly hard for him to track resources that are used for specific purposes. Alan is asked to provide a list of production environment resources that belong to the Eastern region. Alan is wondering if he can quickly filter and view only the required resources. What can Alan do? Alan can use tags to organize and group resources in his infrastructure. So, what's a tag? A tag is a text label associated with an object that improves search results and applies an additional level of filtering where needed. Alan can group different resources based on their purpose and associate them with a tag. For example, based on the environment, he can add a production tag to a set of resources. Then, to classify another set of resources based on region, he can add a tag region. This way, he can identify specific entities in his environment. Similarly, he can add more tags. A tag is a combination of value and type. For example, to classify different resources according to the environment, we can use the environment tag type. In this tag type, we can add values such as production, test. Here are other examples. Now, let's see how we can add tags to entities in BMC Helix Continuous Optimization to organize the entities and identify them easily. On the Workspace tab, go to the entity that you want to tag. Click Add Tag. Enter a name for the tag. In this example, I'll enter production. Select a tag type. If you want to create a new tag type, enter the name of the tag type and click Add Tag. I'll select Environment here. Similarly, add tags to different entities. Another useful feature of tags is that it helps you quickly search for the entities in a large infrastructure. Enter the tag name in the search field. All entities that are associated with the tag are shown. Next, let's see how to use the tag filter in views. Consider this: in the AWS EC2 instances view, I see all EC2 instances of my AWS infrastructure. Now, I'll want to see only the machines that are associated with the production tag, and act only on those resources. To do this, click the Tag Action menu, and click Select Tag. Expand the tag type, and select the tags that you want to use to filter the resources. Applying the tag filter limits the resources that I can see in the Views page. This is how tagging makes managing resources simple. See the online documentation for more details and the different ways in which you can add tags. Thank you for watching.